In this video, we are going to learn how to use arc command in Siemens NX. So let's start. Here is the command of arc, and the shortcut for arc is A. Just click on it, and once you click on the arc, you will get a window like this. And in this, you will get the two arc methods, which are by 3 points and by center and endpoints. Let's understand both these arcs. So I'm going to click on arc by 3 points, and here we have to define the arc by 3 points. Like this is the start point, this is the end point, and this is going to be define the radius. So this is arc by 3 points. Now let's understand about the arc by center. So by center means it is going to pick the center first, like this is going to be the center. Now it will ask us for the radius. This is the radius. Now it will ask us for the arc length, that how much length of the arc you want. So I want this much of arc. So this is all in the arc by center and endpoints. Now I'm going to close this. Now let's dimension them to make them fully defined. First of all, I'm going to define the radius. So for radius, I have just clicked on this arc, and I'm going to define the radius as 200. After that, I'm going to coincide this point with this point. Just coincide without holding the control key, and this point and this point are going to be horizontally aligned to each other. Now we have to just give the dimension from here to the vertical and horizontal axis respectively. So I'm going to give the horizontal first. Now you can see this has been blacked out. That means it is fully defined now. Now let's define this one also, as this is fully defined. You can see this is blacked out. So let's have the dimension for this, and this is going to be 650. And if we do talk about this point to this point, now let's give the distance to this, and this is going to be as 950. Basically, we are giving the dimension to make them fully defined, like how they could be fully defined. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. This is how you can give the dimensions to make them the fully defined. So let's have a quick recap of this tutorial. Let's go to the arc. We have learned about how to have the arc by 3 points. This is by the 3 points, like first point, second point, and third point. And in the case of arc by center and endpoints, we have first defined this point, which is the center, then the radius for the second point, and for the third point, the arc length. So this is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this tutorial. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.